explain to you the importance of Python in the modern era. Over a period of 20 years, Python has been used by scientists and engineers to develop ready-made libraries and applications in machine learning, artificial intelligence, and web automation, IoT, etc., making it the most important language for the modern day. And it is the simplest among all the languages. So you don't need anything before it. That is, there is no prerequisite. Anybody can learn and master it. So Datapro is celebrating its 30th anniversary. We would like to welcome you all to celebrate with us and avail these great discounts we are providing. Thank you.